when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Amusement Park. A day hanging out outside in the sun, doing lots of things that we've already done. Trying hard to find a little bit of fun. Come on, can I use the swing? You won't believe the cool trick I can do.
But Bucky, that wouldn't be fair. You just used the swing for a long time. It's Franny's turn now.
It is. It's too bad we've just got the one swing to play on. Franny's got a point. I could turn my awesome on. And we all know by now just how awesome my awesome is.
Look!
The awesome idea'll come any second now. All we have to do is think. Think! The swing is getting boring. What we're looking for is something crazy fun.
Up north, we really loved
What? Tell me!
going riding down the snow-covered hills.
Whoa, sounds great! Draw me a picture of what riding down snow-covered hills looks like.
This part's great, and this is the scariest spot.
Well, looks too simple to me. If we want crazy fun, then we're just gonna have to crank this up. We'll start with a plunge down crazy hill, then a death-defying topsy-turvy loopy thing. Topsy-turvy is a term which in science means could make you throw up, which is crazy awesome.
I can't wait! We should build a cave of terror as well. That'll double the crazy fun factor.
Oh, yeah! Let's put skeletons and pirates in it. Franny will be like, "Pirates, I'm terrified. What should we do?"
We should build a high-speed launch ramp, and then we could fly over a big canyon.
With an enormous tree at the end, and we can scream, "Hit the brakes!"
This'll be like monster fun.
Crazy monster fun! So all right, let's get started. Before you can have your crazy monster fun,
There's a crazy monster mountain of work to be done.
but we'll soon be having mega awesome fun by the time.
Whoa. Bucky, how do I get down from up here?
The bear with the biggest brain is also the bear with the biggest crane. Nice!
It's just incredible, Bucky.
I bet that over there, Franny will be like, "I'm so scared," am I right?
And here, bet she'll start crying.
And over here, she'll be like,
Yeah, she'll be saying, "Please make it stop. I can't handle it."
"Oh yeah, last bolt. Now it's time to get Franny." Crazy monster fun! Franny, hey, if you put your arms up, the ride'll be even scarier.
Right. Sounds so fun. I might have changed my mind. Bucky, suddenly I'm not sure. Oh no! We're upside down! Please make it stop! I can't handle it! Crazy! Yay! Oh, goody, a tunnel! We're going in a tunnel, boys! Why on earth did we make it so dark in here?
Well, it's supposed to be a cave of terror.
I love this ride! It's awesome sauce! Little pirate guys! Hi there!
How did this seem like a good idea?
Please just make it stop now!
Hit the brakes! Hit the brakes!
Yay! Awesome! Let's go again right now! You go right ahead then. We'll, catch up.
I think we have a kink or two to iron out, Bjorn. Don't you think?
Crazy monster fun! Oh, hello again, little pirate buddies! Well, she's in the cave of terror again. Woohoo! Upside downing is the best!
So, how many more times do you think she'll ride it?
Come on, Chicky!
Lots. But I'm having fun here on the swing. It's all the fun without the crazy and the monster, which is nice.
So much fun I could scream!
It sure is, buddy. A tiny adventure.
Just look at him go!
I think he's gonna make it. I think you're gonna make it. Now you're just showing off.
95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and boom! Yeah!
Gosh, Bjorn, 100 times! That's amazing!
That's nothing. I got all the way up to 1,000 one time. Shame nobody was there to see it.
Can I try? I'll be good, I think.
Here you are, Franny.
1, 2... Whoops.
Nice try.
I didn't mean to do that. I'll look hard and try to find your ball.
It's fine. I carry an extra one.
Great. Let me see that. What we need to do is throw the second ball and see where it ends up. The first ball should be in the same place. Find your brother ball. This is science at work. Feel free to take notes. Eyes on the ball and... Hello there. Just like I told you. You balls, come here.
There's no way I'm reaching that.
Yeah, no. We're not getting them like this. They're both too small, and we're all just too big.
We're too big, are we? I've got a super awesome idea. When these tools and my genius are combined, my friends, I think that you will find that size is just a state of mind that can be scientifically left behind. Done. I give you the unambiguating Dinkytron. It will shrink us down so we can get the balls back. There's one thing you absolutely must remember, though. No matter what, it's important one of us stays normal size at all times.
Bucky, what was that again? Your voice got really small.
Randy, I need you to understand it's really important that you stay big, okay?
It's all right. We just have to push this button up on top here.
You look like a little teddy bear.
That felt weird. Hey, what were you telling us? I was saying it's mega important that one of us stays normal size the whole time. No big deal then. Franny's still normal size. That has got to be the strangest thing I ever felt. Great, Franny. Now who's gonna return us to normal size? That button might as well be on the moon. Got the balls. Well, what good will they be to us now? We're too small to play with them. I think I have a plan. Here's the unambiguating Dinkytron, and here's the reambigulation lever. Now, there's a ball on the shelf above it. Also, gravity exists. So we just need to roll the ball off the shelf onto the lever to start the machine. Then we reambigulate. But how will we get up to the shelf, though? We'll send Franny up. She doesn't weigh very much. Just a little bit further. Come on, go. Well, I made it to the shelf. If we had a rubber band, I could bungee jump down to the lever. Dude, Chicky's huge. It's us, Chicky. Look down. He's like a dinosaur. Chickysaurus Rex. No, wait. Beakceratops, guys. I don't think he recognizes us, Bjorn. Why are you scared? Hey, it's just Chicky. No way he'd hurt us. He only eats worms and bugs. He just eats tiny little things, just like we are right now. Chicky, it's us. You're right. We might want to run. You look like a video game up here. Bucky, I think we should split up, all right? Try not to get eaten down there, you two. Franny will save you. I feel so heroic. Oh, dear. Franny! Franny! Hurry, please hurry! Hey, who turned out the lights? Nice, Chicky! Good birdie! Yay! I did it! It worked! I'm a hero, right? Well, here they grow again!
Well, it's nice to be big enough not to be mistaken for bird snacks. Come here, fun-sized Franny. Really nice work, by the way.
Hooray! Now can I keep Yuppie with the ball again?
Why don't we go outside and toss the flying disc around instead? Bucky, catch!
Get it! Got it! like this game a lot, guys.
Yeah, Bjorn coming at ya. And oops.
The tree's not playing.
I can't reach it. It was an accident. The tree is very, very big, and all of us are just so little.
I've got a super awesome idea.
Thinking out loud.
Another heat wave.
It's so hot. It's supposed to be even hotter tomorrow.
Wouldn't it be nice if we had some ice cream?
Yeah, that's what we need, ice cream.
Sounds great. We should totally build an awesome ice cream machine, guys.
Yeah!
We need the stuff that's on those shelves if we want to make ice cream ourselves. Frozen treats will be a breeze. Just mix creamy cream with crazy freeze. Pour it in and mix it up, then watch the cool yum fill your cup. And now, we leave it to freeze overnight.
Sweet, we can eat it tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
I wonder how our delicious ice cream is coming along. I wish I could try it, but I should wait till tomorrow. What if someone else eats it? I should probably check. Oh, well, it looks like everything's all right in ice cream land. Well, while I'm here, I could have one teensy bite. One teensy weensy itty bitty tiny little bite. I might have eaten a little too much ice cream last night. Oh, I feel like I might be losing my voice.
Hi, Bucky!
Hide the evidence!
You're here awfully early.
Good morning, boys. How about we all have ice cream for breakfast?
Sounds great. Bucky, open it. Bucky? Are you trying to say something?
Oh, I know. It's that game where you act out stuff without talking and people guess.
Oh, charades is so fun. Right. Now you're showing us. You're an electric eel.
You're a balloon.
You're a giraffe. Hamburger.
No?
A puddle?
A fish juggler?
Brussels sprouts?
Ah, you're trying to show us you lost your voice because you slept with the window open. Yay, I guessed it!
I really thought it was Brussels sprouts. Hey, what happened to our ice cream?
What do you mean what happened to our... Huh? Now you're definitely a fish juggler.
So it was stolen. It grew legs and walked away.
Your fingers took it?
I don't understand. Try it once more. It flew away?
The burning sunshine melted it? I'm really good at charades!
That's too bad. We don't have ice cream. Bucky doesn't have a voice. What a day.
This could be my bestest invention ever! The Yak-O-Matic Blabatron! It says my thoughts so I don't have to talk!
That's incredible, Bucky!
Now I can talk and do other mouth stuff at the same time! Like eating! I can run and talk at the same time! Oh wait, I could do that before. But I couldn't sing and play my horn! Who wants to shoot some hoops? You might have noticed that I asked for that without opening my mouth! Like I can say, catch the ball, Bjorn, without moving a single lip muscle! Nice shot, Bjorn! Okay, settle down. It wasn't that great. Sorry, I didn't actually mean for you to hear that thought. Go, Chicky! Nice balance, Birdie! You're gonna get dizzy, Franny! Now Bjorn's doing it! Go, Bjorn! Whoopsie!
So hot.
Maybe we should have another try at making ice cream. We just have to keep it from melting. It's really strange that it melted inside the fridge like this.
Inside the fridge? More like inside my belly, huh?
What?
Oops, did I just think that out loud? And that too? Come on, brain, be quiet!
Bucky, did you actually eat all our ice cream?
What do I do? Do I lie and say it wasn't me? Stop yakking and blabbing on my thoughts! It wasn't me.
So you're just gonna lie to us?
Sorry, guys. I was just gonna try a little.
Well, Bucky, at least your voice seems to have come back.
Hey, guys, let me make you some more ice cream, all right? Whatever kind you want, I'll make it.
I want strawberry.
And I'll take vanilla.
And I'll have birdseed worm ripple. Why are you guys staring? Was it something I said?